Usually in base method, we use the power of 10. That is 10, 100, 1000, etc. But sometimes in base method, we also use non-standard bases like 20, 30, 50, 200, 500, etc. In today's video, where we'll be showing multiplication with base method, we will be using this non-standard basis. Watch a full video to understand the concept better. If someone is not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe today. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications from our channel. The multiplication with more than the base method in Vedic Maths is one of the techniques under the umbrella base method or the Nikulam Sutra. Here is a step-by-step guide to follow. Step 1. Find the base of both the numbers. In this case, the base is 30. Step 2. Find the purakas or the complements of both the numbers. For the multiplicand, in this case, the puraka is 4 and for the multiplier, it is 7. Step 3. Now cross add the numbers with the other numbers puraka. In whichever way we add, the answer will be the same. Step 4. Now multiply the answer with the base. We will arrive at the LHS, that's the left hand side of the answer. Step 5. Multiply the purakas. We get the right hand side of the answer. Step 6. Add both the LHS and the RHS. We arrive at the final product. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to perform multiplication using the less base method in Vedic Maths. This technique is particularly useful when both the numbers are slightly less than the base. Step 1. Find the base of both the numbers. Step 2. Find the purakas or the complements of both the numbers. Step 3. Now cross-subtract the numbers with the other numbers puraka. In whichever way we subtract, the answer will be the same. Step 4. Now multiply the answer with the base. We will arrive at the left hand side of the answer, that's LHS. Step 5. Multiply the purakas. We get the right hand side of the answer or the RHS. Step 6. Add both the LHS and RHS. We arrive at the final product. Here's a step-by-step guide to follow when one is multiplying numbers where one is more base and the other is less base. Step 1. Find the base of both the numbers. In this case, the base is 100. Step 2. Find the purakas or the complements of both the numbers. For the multiplicand, here the puraka is plus 2 and the multiplier it is minus 3. Step 3. Now cross add or cross subtract. That is 102 minus 3 or 97 plus 2. In whichever way we do, the answer becomes 99. Step 4. Subtract 1 from this given answer. That is 99 minus 1 is nothing but 98. This becomes the LHS. Keep this aside. Step 5. Multiply both the purakas and then subtract that from the base. Here the puraka is 2 and 3. Therefore 2 3s are 6. Now 6 we are supposed to subtract from 100. 100 minus 6 is nothing but 94. This becomes our RHS. Step 6. Combine both the answers. Therefore the final answer is nothing but 9894.